Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is find the maximum achievable number. So here is given a two integer num and t, and number x is achievable if it can become equal to number after applying the at most t operation. Okay, you can increase x by 1 or decrease by 1. In the same way, you can also increase the num or decrease the num by 1. Okay, and you have to return the maximum possible value of x. Let's do this. For int I equals to t and I is greater than 0 and I minus minus, you have to do num equals to num plus 1, and then you just have to return num plus t. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.